At least 3 persons have died in clashes between two groups in the Kaliganj area in West Bengal. And these clashes broke out yesterday evening. Several houses were set on fire as well. The situation on ground is tense. Police say they have the situation under control. A large number of police personnel, not just from the Bengal police but also from the Rapid Action Force, have now been deployed in this area. Several policemen have reportedly been injured in these clashes when they were trying to bring the situation under control. Headlines today is Indrajit Kundu joins us with the latest. What led to the clashes, Indrajit?
Well, Gaurav, what we are hearing is that there was a festival that was taking place in the local community, in the local village, in under the Kaliganj police station in Jaunpur area, and there was a clash between two groups which ensued, last evening, and which turned ugly, and then the clash was spread to several of the villages in Jaunpur and adjoining Nauda. We can confirm to you that 3 people have been confirmed dead by the district administration, and there are several others who have been injured in these clashes. Some of them were admitted across in Burdwan district in Katwa hospital, and we are hearing that some with serious injuries.
Indrajit, hold on for a moment. Tathagat Roy, BJP leader from Bengal, joins me on the broadcast. Tathagat Roy, what can you tell us about the violence in Bengal, this spate of violence that's been continuing, sir?
Yes, this is what has happened over here. It is pure communal violence. It has happened in the village of Nauda, in the district of Nadia, and to the extent of information available with us, 3 people have been killed and 2 are fighting for their lives in a hospital. This is a purely unprovoked attack by people of one community upon another. These people were going to join a Buddha Purnima procession, and on the way they were attacked, as far as information received over here goes. And there is a strange tendency on the part of the media in West Bengal to suppress all such news. Till today, some 4 or 5 such communal conflagrations have taken place in West Bengal. Each one of these cases, the West Bengal media has suppressed this. It's a good thing. I congratulate you that you are bringing it to the notice of the public.
Tathagat Roy, headlines today always brings out the ground situation, and I assure you there is no suppression of news of any kind on headlines today. As far as the factual position is concerned, you are saying that this is the 5th such incident of communal conflagration. What is the Bengal government doing, sir?
You see, Bengal, first thing, this practically all these conflagrations have taken place due to provocation and due to engineering of this thing by the Trinamool Congress. The first one happened in a place called Deganga in the district of North 24 Parganas in 2010, September. This was engineered by a Trinamool Congress MP called Haji Nurul Islam. The army had to be called out. Police and RAF were not sufficient. Then in 2013, another Trinamool Congress MP called Haji Nurul Islam did it in the district of South 24 Parganas under Canning police station, where a huge destruction of property took place.
Sir, may I request you to tell us about the current spate of violence, sir. Since Haji Nurul Islam is not here to defend himself, it would be improper for me, I would just request you to restrict yourself to the current spate of violence in Bengal, and what is it that the BJP demands of the government?
See, BJP merely demands that the police act like the police and not like the cadres of the Trinamool Congress. That is what has happened. This used to be done by the CPIM. But right now, the Trinamool Congress is one step ahead of the CPIM. They are copying the CPIM in everything, and particularly they are copying the CPIM in everything, and particularly they are copying them in arranging subservience of the police to the party. This kind of thing is happening. Not just this, but the police are also slapping false cases on people of other parties. There is total breakdown of law and order, and things are going from bad to worse.
Tathagat Roy, have you raised this issue with the Trinamool leadership? What is it that the state BJP has been trying to do? Amit Shah was on ground zero. Amit Shah has been traveling across Bengal. What is it that your party has been trying to do on ground?
Of course, we have raised it to the Trinamool leadership, the government. We have lodged cases. The Trinamool in every case flatly denies these things. They just flatly deny that no such thing has happened. And in some cases in which they cannot deny, they simply remain silent. The cases that I mentioned, Haji Nurul Islam and Ahmed Hassan Imran, 2 MPs, they have chosen to remain silent. They have not been able to deny them.
Okay. Tathagat Roy and Indrajit Kundu for the moment. Many thanks for joining me. Indrajit, keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more.